Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see account team in Salesforce. Account team in Salesforce is mainly used for granting access to the account record in an account sharing model where it is private. So if the account sharing model is private and if we want to grant access to other users to work on the account, then we can make use of account team. There are several use cases like selling is a best example where multiple users will work on the same account. So in that case, all the sales reps who work on this on the account should have access to it. In a private sharing model, if sales rep A creates an account record, only sales rep A can access the account record. If sales rep B and C wanted to access the account, then sales rep A can add them to the account team so that they can get access to the account record. So here in the sharing settings for account, I have set it to private. So by default, owner can see the record, and based on the role hierarchy, users above the owner of the account record can also view and edit the account record. But other sales reps, if they are below the role hierarchy or if they are on the same role hierarchy of the account owner, then they won't be able to access the account record. So I have set the OWD as private for account. Next, I went to account teams in Salesforce setup, and then I have enabled account team. By default, Salesforce will give some roles to the account team roles. You can add and then you can also remove it. So I am making use of all the default team roles that Salesforce provided. Okay, next, so this is a sample account record. I am the owner of this account record. As a test user, if I go to accounts tab, I'm not able to see any of the account records. So my use case is I have to grant access to the test user for this account record. For that, I have to click add team members, and then I have to search for the user, and then I'm going to set the role as account manager. I'm going to give read access to account and private for case and opportunity. By default, they will get access to the contact since they get access to the account, but for case and opportunity, I'm going to set the access to private, and I am setting the team role as account manager. If you want to give access to case, then you can definitely change the case access. If you want to give access to related opportunities of the account, then we can definitely set the access here, but I am going to set it as private. Based on the use case and based on the requirement, you can definitely give access. For example, if multiple reps are going to support the same account, then they need access to the case. If multiple reps are working on the same account record, and in order to avoid duplicate opportunities, definitely they need access to the opportunities so that they are not duplicating the efforts. So in my case, I'm just setting it as private. Click save. Okay, so now test user is added as an account manager to this test company. So as a test user, I didn't had any access to account records. And now let's refresh this list view. So now the test user got access to the test company record since the test user is added as an account manager to the account record. Let's see how it is shared. You can click sharing quick action. You can see how it is shared, you can see that it is also shared with user called test user. In classic, it looks much more better. So let's see. So here for test user, this particular test company account is shared as part of account team. So in this way, in a private sharing model for account object, we can easily share the account record by creating account team. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.